Hey everyone, today let's dive into an exciting question. Will AI chatbots like ChatGPT replace Google search? Chatbots are changing the way we find information by giving quick, direct answers through smooth, personal conversations. Many users now turn to tools like ChatGPT when they need fast responses, recommendations, or help brainstorming ideas without scrolling through multiple websites. On the other hand, Google search is still essential for deep research, fact-checking, and exploring various perspectives. People often use Google when they need more detailed information, product research, or to find specific businesses and websites through SEO. In the future, we will likely see a mix of both chatbots for quick conversational queries and Google for more in-depth exploration. Imagine having the flexibility to switch between chatting for fast answers and searching for comprehensive results all in one place. What do you think? Will chatbots take over or will they complement search engines? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.